Dear students, I am Dr. S.B. Savarkar, Department of Physics, Sri Shivaji College, Akola. Today, I welcome you all for our 8th lecture on Unit 5. In this lecture, we have to study angle of twist, angle of shear, and we have to obtain the relation between the angle of twist and angle of shear. Let us consider a cylindrical rod of length L and radius R. This is a cylindrical rod. This rod, one end of the rod, it is fixed vertically, that is upper end is fixed vertically, and some external torque is applied at its lower end, and this twisting of the rod will take place about the axis of the cylinder O dash. In this case, due to the elasticity of the material of the rod or the cylinder, the restoring couple will produce, and this restoring couple produced is equal and opposite to the twisting couple or torque. Due to the twist which is produced at this lower end, each cross section of this rod, this is a vertical rod, every cross section of rod will get twisted to some angle. Here, say angle is say theta, and this angle theta, it is called angle of twist. So the angle of twist is the angle through which the cross section of rod, each cross section of rod or the cylinder is twisted or it is rotated. So angle through which each cross section of the rod is rotated, it is called the angle of twist. It is denoted by theta of that particular cross section. In this figure, say OB is a radius of the cylinder, and OB equal to suppose X. Before twisting, say radius is OB, and after application of the external torque at its lower end, rotation or twisting of the cylinder takes place about the axis of rotation O dash, and OB will get displaced to OB dash. So this displacement or rotation takes place, rotation of OB takes place through an angle theta, and this theta, it is the angle of twist, So here angle of twist is angle theta, angle of twist. Theta is the angle BOB dash, angle BOB dash. From figure, we know angle equal to arc upon radius. So angle theta, here angle theta is equal to arc BB dash, this arc BB dash upon radius is OB radius, and it is equal to, say, theta is equal to r bb dash divided by radius is x. Radius is x. So here the value of angle of twist, it is proportional to the distance of the cross section from the fixed end. It means value of angle of twist theta will be 0 for the fixed end. It is minimum or 0 at the fixed end for the cross section at the fixed end, and maximum at the lower end. Maximum at the lower end. So the angle of twist depends on the distance of the cross section. Any cross section, every cross section get twisted, and the angle depends on the distance from the fixed end. Distance increases, angle of twist increases, and maximum twist will be, angle of twist will be for the cross section at the lower end. Now let us discuss angle of shear. This angle of shear, due to the twist produced at this lower end, by means of an external torque, the line AB, this line AB, which was initially parallel to the axis of the cylinder OO dash, get displaced through some angle phi, and this line, which was initially parallel on the surface of cylinder or on the rim, AB get displaced to new position AB dash, new position AB dash. So here the twisting, because of twisting of this cross section through an angle theta, here the AB get displaced through an angle phi, and here angle phi, it is called the angle of shear. It is called angle of shear. So angle of shear, it is the angle between AB and AB dash. Angle between AB and AB dash. It is the angle of shear, and it is, angle of shear is defined as the angle through which the rim of the cylinder is sheared. Rim of the cylinder is sheared. It is called angle of shear, and this angle of shear here, angle of shear phi, this is angle of shear phi. Phi means the angle BAB dash, angle BAB dash, and from figure, again if we write phi as, again it is arc upon radius, so arc for this angle, it is, say, BB dash, so RBB dash, RBB dash upon RBB dash upon this length L, length of the cylinder is L. L means a AB. So it is RBB dash upon AB, which is equal to RBB dash upon L. RBB dash upon L. So the angle of shear is maximum for the outermost cylindrical layer. This is outermost cylindrical layer, and it will be 0 for radius equal to 0, r equal to 0. Let us obtain the relation between angle of twist and angle of shear. So this is equation number 1, suppose, and this is equation 2. From equation 1 we write r, expression for RBB dash. RBB dash equal to x into theta, x into theta. Let it be equation number 3. And from equation number 2, here RBB dash arc BB dash is equal to here, arc BB dash equal to L into phi, so this is equation number 4. Comparing equations 3 and 4, we have L phi is equal to x theta, or angle of shear phi is equal to x by L theta. This is equation number 5. This equation 5 is the relation between the angle of twist and angle of shear. Let us stop here. Thank you.